10 lakh stray dogs and barely any shelters. While the country actually remains very divided over the Supreme Court's order, the key question still looms large. Can this order be even implemented on the ground? How many required shelters? How many of them actually exist? What is the condition? India Today is bringing you this ground report.
In 8 weeks, about 10 lakh dogs across Delhi NCR are expected to be taken and into animal shelters. But where are these shelters? Do they even exist on paper? And are they equipped to take in lakhs and lakhs of stray dogs permanently? To answer these questions, India Today visited animal welfare centres run by the Municipal Corporation of Delhi to assess their condition, only to find serious operational lapses. The Animal Birth Control Centre in Tughlaqabad is leased out to a Gujarat-based NGO that has previously faced suspension orders for illegal, irresponsible and cruel animal activities. Despite all irregularities and violation of animal birth control rules, the NGO managed to obtain the tender in Delhi.
The operational challenges are very different from what it is written on paper. Ideally, an ABC center should be running in the proper manner. The doctors should be present, and clearly it shouldn't be shut down like the one that we see here right now. I'll try my best to give you a glimpse from down of this center that is in Tughlaqabad. These are the government-run ABC programs that are done in the national capital.
India Today also found the Animal Birth Control Unit in Lajpat Nagar locked. The staff did not respond to repeated knocks and the gate remained shut.
We are trying to get in touch with somebody to open the shelter for us, but it seems like the doors have been closed from inside at the moment. So this is the ground reality of shelters. First of all, there aren't many shelters that are run by the MCD for dogs. There are just these places where these are sterilization centers that are run by the MCD. But even though this is the condition where a registered center of the MCD is not even open at the time during the day per se.
At the Masoodpur sterilization center in Vasant Kunj, the only doctor on duty was absent. Surgery entries were not shown. There was no record of when dogs had been brought in, and the staff admitted that several dogs in the shelter had not yet undergone surgery. To pile on, the facility was unclean, there were no bathing facilities, and food for the dogs was left uncovered.
The situation seems to be deplorable because the entire center needs a little bit organization. There is no cleaning as such, and there is staff shortage as well. You know, the condition here is that there are only fans and hardly one particular tube light that is also not functional on this particular side. In the heaty months of the summers, this place must be really hot for these dogs to be kept out in the open like this.
According to MCD sources, Delhi has no dedicated dog shelters and only 20 sterilization centers with a combined capacity for about 2,500 dogs at a time. Experts say controlling the stray population requires sterilizing at least 70% of dogs, a target unlikely to be met with existing systems. But with the Supreme Court's directive in place, they said they are obliged to follow orders despite the challenges. With Milan Sharma and Shreya Chatterjee in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.